Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. For today's video, I will show you how to change Snapchat notification sound. Well, the first thing that you need to do is to go to your phone setting and then find application management. Then after that, find the Snapchat application. And then click Manage Notification. After that, click Allow Notification. Now the next thing that you need to do is to find snaps and chats and then click it. After that, go to ringtone. As you can see, there is a lot of choices to change your notification sound. Just choose your preferred ringtone. Then after that, go back to the Snapchat notification and find quiet notification and click it. And then go to the ringtone and choose your preferred ringtone. So that is how to change a Snapchat notification sound. Please leave a comment, like, and subscribe if this video helped you. Thank you and be safe.